let's start a session. So myself Mohiuddin, I'm the senior tally trainer at Asset Integrated Info Systems. So today we are going to discuss the topic what is new in TallyPrime Release 6 and about AssetTally.com. So we are #1 5-star tally partner in all over Telangana for all your tally products, needs, services and customizations. You can reach us on www.assettally.com. So today we are going to discuss the topic what is new in TallyPrime Release 6. So one important instruction before installing anything, just go consult your CA, your senior accountant. Then after taking the complete backup, then you can install Tally 6, Release 6. So before releasing, what is we are going to discuss what is release. First, we are going to discuss what is release. Release is nothing but the minor changes or improvements in the software. What Tally is providing is called release. So in TallyPrime, a release refers to a new version, the software with updated features like fixing bugs and improvements is called as release. So why release is important in TallyPrime? To get the updated features in Tally, release is very much important. For example, if you are taking a mobile, so previously the what model we used to get is a basic model with buttons phone, and now we are using Android mobile. సో మీకు ఇప్పుడు తెలుసు మనం యూజ్ చేసేది చిన్న మొబైల్ లైక్ బటన్స్ మొబైల్ ఉండే కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఆండ్రాయిడ్ మొబైల్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము సో వాట్ ఎవర్ లైక్ వర్జన్ వాట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ప్రీవియస్లీ నౌ వీఆర్ చేంజ్డ్ కంప్లీట్లీ సో ప్రీవియస్లీ ద వర్జన్ యూజ్ టు లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టేక్ మొబైల్ యాజ్ నోకియా సో నోకియాలో కొత్త పాత ఫోన్ ఉండేది బటన్స్ మొబైల్ కానీ ఇప్పుడు నోకియాలో వచ్చింది కొత్త మొబైల్ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్ వర్జన్. So in the same way, Tally also makes releases new, and if we are talking about the major changes, it's called as versions like Tally ERP 9, Tally 9, and now before 3 years, Tally has launched TallyPrime. So TallyPrime is nothing but advanced version of ERP 9, and now after 3 years, they have like after releasing of TallyPrime, now Release 6 is going to release. It's already released because it's already Tally Release is released. You can download it, and moreover, you can check that logo has been changed in TallyPrime 6. So previously the logo used to be 3 colors used to be. Now it has changed to Tally. One line would be coming blue, TallyPrime, and the logo itself will come as P. P is nothing but TallyPrime. So let's get in the session. In TallyPrime, what is the new release? Tally offer releases include updates to comply and tax regulations and GST changes. So each release typically introduces functionalities to streamline business operations like improved data management, enhanced reporting options and streamlined bank integration. So what is new in Release 6? Release 6 lo kottadi emidi? ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ 6లో ఆటోమేటెడ్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఫీచర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ we can download, we can transfer all bank statements directly to Tally. సో బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మనం డైరెక్ట్లీ ఎక్సెల్ నుంచి టాలీ తీసుకోవచ్చు రీకన్సిలియేషన్ కోసం, ఎన్హాన్స్డ్ బ్యాంక్ రీకన్సిలియేషన్స్ అండ్ కనెక్టెడ్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ పేమెంట్స్ అకౌంటింగ్. సో కనెక్టెడ్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఇస్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ టాలీలో ఓన్లీ yes bank and Kotak bank we can sync it, and only business accounts like current account, CC account can be taken in Tally, not SB account like savings bank account. You cannot take like savings bank account unte Tally lo manam teeskochu, only business account teeskochu Tally lo like yes bank and Kotak bank. So we have created here company Gautam Enterprises, and now we are going to create a ledger ICICI Bank under banks account, under bank accounts. We have already created a ledger, for example, like for demonstrating purpose. So under ICICI Bank, under bank accounts, like we have to enter mention bank account details, Mr. Akash Enterprises, and account number as well as IFSC code, SWIFT code if it is available. Otherwise, we can go for bank name and branch, and then we can set bank configuration, and then we can select it. So we can accept the screen. Again, we are going to create one more ledger. For example, State Bank of India, By default, SBI, we cannot connect the bank SBI. Previously, the option was there, but now Tally has removed the option from SBI. Only Kotak Bank and Yes Bank is available in Tally. So we are created State Bank of India under bank accounts. Account holder name is Gautam Enterprises. Account number we have mentioned. IFSC code. IFSC code, it should be 11 digits. And bank name and branch we have to select. State Bank of India branch Mailargada, Malkajgiri also we can select. State, country, pin code and accept the screen. So now we are going to see in Tally, in exchange option, if you go here, all banking options will be available. Here you can log in and log out your whatever banks you have connected here by default, Yes Bank or Kotak Bank. For now, I am not having Kotak Bank or this Yes Bank. But if you have any bank account in the Kotak Bank or Yes Bank, you can connect your account and you can check the bank balance. You can get the bank details, and here you can get the balance. If you are mentioning you're creating a ledger by your account, you can see the bank balance from here itself. And the last updated status also you can view by in Tally. Like statement, ఇప్పుడు నేను statement share చేస్తున్నా ICICI Bank ది. Now we'll go into Tally. So here how we have to ఇక్కడ Tally నుంచి like how we have to transfer the bank statement to Tally directly. Here we'll be seeing import, from import to bank statement. Like ICICI Bank ledger which we have created, we have to select ICICI Bank. And then file path, like where the file has been selected, stored, we have to select that file. Like in E drive we have selected. List of file types Tally support is CSV file, Excel format. So here we are going to select Excel format, like whatever supported Tally. See, this is the ICICI Bank statement which I'm going to upload in Tally. Show preview, yes. Accept the screen. So now you can see the data has been uploaded in the Tally. Like if we are ఒకవేళ మనం మాన్యువల్లీ ఎంట్రీ చేస్తే మిస్టేక్ కావచ్చు, కానీ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ నుంచి టాలీలో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ లెస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ like chances of like doing mistake, because there are so many mistakes we are going to make, like error of commission, error of omission. We can avoid those mistakes in this when we are directly transferring data from Excel file to Tally. So now here you can see we have mentioned the bank ledger, ICICI Bank account number. You can see as well as total entries, 95 entries has been uploaded in Tally from Excel. So if we are by manually, ఒకవేళ మనం మాన్యువల్లీ చేస్తే చాలా టైం పడుతుంది చేయడానికి, కానీ టాలీలో విత్ ఇన్ సెకండ్స్ మనం అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు all the entries. So now after selecting all the entries, we have to click import, and all the transactions will be imported in Tally. Like bank reconciliation summary of imported bank statement is come. You can new entries imported successfully. You can see in the screen 95 this transaction has been successfully imported in Tally through Excel. So bank reconciliation summary, you have to click, and here we can see the summary of transaction which has not been reconciled. The last reconciled transaction also available. 2-3 transactions we are having right now. So if we are reconciled, it will appear in the next screen. See, here available only in bank 21 transactions are there. See, whatever withdrawals are there, it is also appeared in Tally. So now let's go to gateway of Tally. From gateway of Tally to banking, and from banking to banking activities. Here we can see whatever activities available books only in Tally, we can view it. Like ICICI Bank available only in bank, 96 transactions what we have transferred from Excel to Tally, you can view here. All the transactions will be here, like if it is a withdrawal transaction, payments transaction, receipts transaction, everything will be appeared in Tally. And if we are creating and reconcile transactions, like for example, we are entering receipt as Raghav Enterprises, amount is 30,000, and on account 30,000. Instrument number we have mentioned, bank name, accept. So these all the entries, see reconcile transactions appeared in Tally. For example, we have selected create multi-voucher. This I have selected F7. If we are clicking F7, all multi-vouchers will be shown separately by ledger names like Raghav Enterprises. Not all the transactions are there, will be listed here. So here all the transactions have been uploaded successfully. So now I need to mark as regular and reconcile. See, there is a message, this action will make the voucher regular, which can then be considered for reconciliation. Do you want to continue? Yes. If we continue, all the transactions will be reconciled directly from Excel Tally, which we are importing without any manual work. Yes. Now all the transactions has been manually reconciled. See, now withdrawal transactions, whatever we are having, 74 withdrawal transactions. Yes, we from Yes Bank, we are selecting Yes Bank and ICICI Bank. We have been selecting transactions from it. And now we are going to reconcile these transactions from create multi-voucher consolidate F7. Here we are going to select Sudeep and Associates. For example, amount is 1,206 on account. Instrument number, instrument date we have to mention, and then next screen, accept. Okay. So in Tally, now we are going to reconcile these transactions, whatever withdrawals we have selected in ICICI Bank, banking activities. See, here we can view available only in books 3 and available only in bank. 75 transactions are available for reconciling. Now we are going to reconcile all the transactions directly from Excel to Tally. So here we have selected all the transactions which we are going to create multi-voucher, and we have to select list of ledger account like Raghav Enterprises and State Bank and Sudeep and Associates. Here we have to select all the ledger names, and then we can reconcile all the transactions into Tally. In Tally, you can also view the bank account, like whatever the balance is there in the bank. You can, if you are able to remember your tally.net password ID, because for the security level, Tally is allowing us to see after mentioning the .net password, you can see the bank balance also in Tally. So now we are marking it as regular and reconciliation. Yes. Here all the transactions have been reconciled successfully. See, now here all the deposits are, see, we cannot see the deposit because we have already reconciled it. If it is not reconciled, it will appear here. See, 62 transactions count, all we have reconciled. Next. Now we are going to our account book, ledger, ICICI Bank. We have to change the period. And then we can see that all the transaction receipts, payments which we have reconciled will appear all the transactions here. All the receipts and payment voucher will be appearing here in ledger vouchers. So reconcile, all these transactions has been reconciled. See, here we can view all the transactions which has been reconciled and which was not reconciled are available in the books. You can see in the black color is not reconciled transactions, and the transaction which you can see in the blue color is all the reconciled transaction which we have reconciled just now. So do you know you can customize your Tally invoice to keep your company logo and other information as you wish? Like you can see here, like a Tally logo is there. So this is the old logo. New logo has been updated. You can view update your new logo as well as in your invoice. ఈ ఇన్వాయిస్ లో కొత్త లోగో పి అని వస్తుంది, అది అప్డేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇంకా మీ కంపెనీ పేరు ఇక్కడ పెట్టొచ్చు కస్టమైజ్ లో. ఇంకా ఇన్వాయిస్ లో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ యాజ్ పర్ యువర్ విష్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యాడ్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ టు టాలీ టీడీఎల్ customization. You can customize your Tally invoice to keep your company's seal and signature and other information as your wish. So one more thing about tallyhr.com. If you are looking for a Tally or tax accountant, or if you are a business owner and if you have any backlog accounts or you are facing messed up accounts, you can visit www.tallyhr.com. Also, you can follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for the participation.